Okay, keep getting cut off. So again, consolidation. Got a couple chargers. I used to have about 5 chargers for no reason. Obviously still have my dual monitors going on. Let's go around the back. Cable management. Creeper on the side. Massive surge strip. Some chemicals. Had to do some engineering on my end. Cart's clean. Got your 19, 21, 22. Mostly everything metric. If I have to get AC, right here. Screwdrivers, long and short. Pliers. Oh, we already showed this one. This is a good drawer. Big, weird pliers. Spark plug. This is new. The exhaust pliers. And then you got all your pinch off tools. Got all your upholstery tools, pin tools. These are extra air tools, not really used very often. This is kind of my junk drawer. Electronic drawer. And normally my lights would be in there as well, but they're charging. Lots of hammers. Lots of shit to hit. DA, Sawzall, inductor. This is kind of a random electric drawer. This is a brake kit, bit kit, compression tester, and spark tester. Brake drawer, including those of you who don't know what this is, ask in the comments. Yeah, one of my favorite drawers, air hammer drawer. We got the U-joint pusher, all the other pretty little things, Allen wrenches that I don't really use, and we got the pickle forks. Picks. This is the worst part of the consolidation. Long picks, some long picks, torques, drivers, and magnets. That's kind of a clusterfuck there. More electronics, wrenches. This would be literature that I've gotten from different things. This would be my main electronic drawer and my main puller drawer and other such things. And special surprise, these are all case tools and fans, coolant stuff, you name it. Had to really consolidate. So if you go back to my 2019 one and look at it versus 2022, 3 years makes a big difference.